stuck, parang there's an stuck ka, parang na-stuck ka in emotional dynamic here that are no longer working to you. So, sabing ganun, release it now, or maybe you are letting it go now, no? Because that being stuck in emotional dynamic that are no longer working on you, kumbaga, make a space for new one to come down, no? That is also the message of death. Parang, ano na, parang declutter nga, kagaya declutter nga, kumbaga, but yung sinasabi rito, yung emotional naman din, no? Kumbaga, yung forgiveness din ang dapat i-apply. Kumbaga, wag ka daw ma-stuck, magtigil dyan, no? Get only the things that the tools that you really gonna use it. Kasi ang message ng death sa'yo, you must learn to embrace changes daw, no? Or that's why there's a big changes will happen if you learn to embrace changes. Do not be afraid of changes daw. This actually indicate that you may want to end some relationship, not only in love life